Good day everyone. We are the group 7 and we will discuss about emerging technologies and the emerging technology that we have chosen. So let's start with what is emerging technology. Emerging technology are the ones that have not yet been commercialized but show great potential to change the world. Emerging technologies are said to be the trends of the business. These technologies are often in their early stages and may not be available for purchase or use by consumers just yet. Emerging technology is a term generally used to describe a new technology, but it may also refer to the continuing development of an existing technology. Emerging technologies are defined by 5 attributes, and these are radical novelty, fast growth, coherence, prominent impact, and uncertainty and ambiguity. Examples of emerging technologies are Internet of Things or IoT, artificial intelligence or AI, blockchain, virtual reality or VR, 3D printing, biometrics, serverless computing, and robotics. These are only a few of the thousands of existing emerging technologies in our world. From these examples, we will be choosing virtual reality to be discussed. So, what is virtual reality? The term virtual reality means near reality. Virtual reality is the creation of a virtual environment presented to our senses in such a way that we experience it as if we were really there. It uses a host of technologies to achieve this goal and is a technically complex feat that has to account for our perception and cognition. According to Oxford Dictionary, virtual reality is the computer-generated simulation of a three-dimensional image or environment that can be interacted with in a seemingly real or physical way by a person using special electronic equipment such as a helmet with a screen inside or gloves fitted with sensors. In virtual reality, you isolate the user from the real world and create presence in a virtual environment. The history of virtual reality began with the ViewMaster, a stereoscopic visual simulator in 1939, and Morton Heilig's 1950 Sensorama, which is a multi-experience theater. The development of the first head-mounted display, or HMD, followed in 1968. Designers focused on professionally geared applications in the 1970s and 1980s. After 1990, just after virtual reality became popularly known, VR entered the wider consumer world through video games. There are differences between virtual reality or VR and augmented reality or AR. In virtual reality, users' real-world movements translate fully to pre-programmed environments, letting them play along with convincing VR illusions. While in augmented reality, users use devices like smartphones to find parts of the real world such as a room overlaid with computer-generated input. An example of virtual reality game is the Beat Saber, while in augmented reality is the Pokemon Go. Virtual reality has many uses and applications in different fields in our real world. First, let's start with virtual reality use in healthcare. VR for changing bandages, VR for cognitive issues, and VR for complex surgeries. Virtual reality use in education include proper implementation of visual learning, virtual speech for practicing speeches, and unique way to learn anatomy for medical students. The virtual reality use in journalism includes ground reporting of refugee camps, experiencing climate change using virtual reality, and more immersive VR with communicating sound for a sound journalist. The virtual reality use in military allows training in the military using virtual reality, manufacturing of defense weapons using VR, and real-time collaboration on defense projects. And the virtual reality use in marketing includes virtual tour on business class of airplane, Volvo's virtual reality test drive, and New York Times Great Marketing. These are only few of the applications of the virtual reality in different fields in our world. That's all for our presentation, and thank you for watching.